Welcome to Brainy Kids. Get ready to test your knowledge with fun and tricky questions. Let's get started with 3 simple rules. Saturn's rings are one of the most stunning features in our solar system. Spanning an incredible 282,000 kilometers in diameter, these rings are made up of billions of ice particles, along with dust and rocky material. Despite their vast width, the rings are remarkably thin, averaging just 10 meters in thickness. Scientists believe the rings are over 100 million years old, possibly formed from shattered moons or icy comets. They are divided into sections, including the A, B, and C rings, with gaps like the Cassini division. Temperatures in the rings can drop to minus 191 degrees Celsius, reflecting the icy nature of the material. Saturn's rings not only add to its beauty, but also provide valuable insights into the formation of our solar system. True or false? The thickness of Saturn's rings is about 10 meters. True. How wide are Saturn's rings? – 282,000 kilometers. Fill in the blank. Saturn's rings are made up of blank, dust, and rocky material. Ice. Fill in the blank. Saturn's rings span an incredible blank kilometers in diameter. – 282,000 kilometers. What are Saturn's rings mostly made of? Ice and rock. Fill in the blank. The average thickness of Saturn's rings is only blank meters. – 10 meters. True or false? Saturn's rings are made entirely of gas. False. They are made mostly of ice particles, dust, and rock. Fill in the blank. The blank division is a large gap between Saturn's A and B rings. Cassini. What is the name of the gap between Saturn's rings? Cassini division. Fill in the blank. The rings are thought to have formed over blank million years ago. – 100 million years ago. True or false? Saturn's rings orbit the Sun directly. False. They orbit Saturn. Fill in the blank. The temperature in Saturn's rings can drop to blank degrees Celsius. Minus 191 degrees Celsius. How old are Saturn's rings estimated to be? $100 million years. Fill in the blank. The spacecraft Blank provided detailed images of Saturn's rings. Cassini. Fill in the blank. Saturn's rings are divided into sections like the blank, B and C rings. A ring. Why do scientists believe Saturn's rings are important for understanding the solar system? Saturn's rings provide insights into the processes that shaped our solar system, such as how moons and planets form from disks of material orbiting the Sun. True or false? The particles in Saturn's rings move at different speeds depending on their distance from Saturn. True. What are the largest particles in Saturn's rings believed to be the size of? Mountains. Fill in the blank. Saturn's rings are held in place by the planet's strong blank. Gravity. If an ice particle in Saturn's rings travels 300,000 kilometers in one orbit at an average speed of 15 kilometers per second, how long does it take to complete one orbit? To calculate the time it takes for an ice particle to complete one orbit, we use the formula: time equals distance divided by speed. The distance of the orbit is 300,000 kilometers, and the particle travels at 15 kilometers per second. Dividing 300,000 by 15 gives us 20,000 seconds. So it takes the ice particle 20,000 seconds, or about 5.5 hours, to complete one orbit. What is the name of the faintest ring in Saturn's system? D ring. If a particle in Saturn's ring orbits at an average speed of 20 kilometers per second and takes 11 hours to complete one orbit, how far does it travel? To calculate the distance traveled by a particle in Saturn's ring, we use the formula. Distance equals speed multiplied by time. The particle travels at 20 kilometers per second, and there are 39,600 seconds in 11 hours. Multiplying 20 by 39,600 gives us 792,000 kilometers. So, the particle travels 792,000 kilometers in one orbit. True or false? Saturn's rings are visible from Earth with the naked eye. False. They require a telescope to see. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. The thin F ring is located outside the blank ring. A. Ring. Which moon of Saturn is thought to help maintain the structure of the F ring? Prometheus. Fill in the blank. The icy particles in Saturn's rings reflect blank, making them visible from space. Sunlight. True or false? Saturn's rings have been completely mapped by the Hubble Space Telescope. False. They've been studied in detail, but the Cassini spacecraft provided the most comprehensive data. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. The rings are divided into sections, including the A, B, and blank rings. C. Ring. How many main ring groups does Saturn have? Seven. If a particle in Saturn's B ring travels 900,000 kilometers in 6 hours, what is its average speed? To find the speed, we use the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. The particle travels 900,000 kilometers in 6 hours. Dividing 900,000 by 6 gives us 150,000 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the particle's average speed is 150,000 kilometers per hour. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching Brainy Kids. We hope you had fun learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you next time, Brainy Friends.